say hello to your next adventure. I'm so excited of this adventure. Actually, we are going to start our 3-day backpacking adventure to the Wendy Thomson Hut and Mount Rohr area. So what's the plan? We will stay 3 days and 2 nights there. So plan for the first day. For our first day, we are heading to Wendy Thomson Hut to pitch our tents. We will then explore around the hut. Hopefully, I will have some nice drone shot of the area. We will see. For the second day, we will leave our base camp and head to Mount Rohr. Beautiful mountain. Along the way, we will have some amazing drone footage of boulder fields and Rohr Lake. Gorgeous lake, blue lake. On top of the Rohr Peak, we will have some amazing views of Mountain Marriott, Joffrey Peak. What else? Royal Lake and the surrounding mountain, breathtaking views on top, beautiful mountains. And then for the last day, we will hike the area north of the Wendy Thomson Hut toward the Marriott SE3 peak and get an area shot of the mountain there before coming back to our base camp and hiking the trail back to our cars. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. If so, please don't forget to support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, Adventure with Arastu. And also hit a like and leave a comment.
جلو تا پایین اینجوری لیمو میزنی خیلی مهمه. نمک نمکش هم بچه قبلا زدن تو دریا و بعد این نمک اول تریهدیم پارک کردیم همینجا کنار جاده میریم تا 3 روز دیگه. بچه هم دارن جمع جور میکنن.
Driving on the highway, far away, far away, far away. Every moment I was spending on regrets was such a waste, such a waste, such a waste. Looking on the city lights, flashing bright in my eyes. Look up to the sky and I got this relief inside. Then there's no need to hide. I'm going all the way up, up. I'm going all the way up, up. I'm letting go in my heart, heart, of everything that holds me down, no, no. And it's feeling like I'm in the groove. I can feel the love, oh yeah, it's all around me. On a foreign land, far away, far away, far away. I could get along, could be a different man. Looking on the city lights, flashing. Look up to the sky and I got this relief inside. Then there's no need to hide. clean slate, got the reason. The horizon is closer than it was. I will be there if you need me. I believe that we can grow. And it's feeling like I've been enough. I can feel the love. Oh yeah, it's all around me. Oh, I need to know how I can let go. Not afraid to fall. A parachute behind me.
That things aren't going my way, cause that would be boring. Spend my last cent on cheese and champagne. What a wonderful morning. Never mind, she declined to the first date. It was only on my birthday. Never mind all the lines on the highway. Give me time to reflect a bit, cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. Real good morning.
Today is second day and July 2nd. Dude's still sleeping. Today after breakfast, we're gonna go for a day hike through Rohr Mountain Trail. And after that, we will get back here in the campsite again. We will stay overnight. And tomorrow also we're gonna do a different hike, maybe that peak. آقا داریم صبحونه رو درست میکنیم. اینم تخم مرغمون همزده آماده تبلیغ میکنیم براش، به خودش پولی نگیره. It's 9:30 a.m. We are heading to Rohr Mountain Trail. That's the Rohr Mountain. today is the third day.
Hey,
We're just
hey, my
left our
beloved woman.
campsite to
I don't know how to prove it,
hike up.
but I still feel the same. It feels like in a railroad
in the
station,
lake.
standing on the
That's not lake.
pavement.
In the pond. So I think you can imagine how cold it is. Still there is ice in the water.
I let the wind have its way with you. Farewell, love. One more wicked day with you. After all, ever after always. Time, whoa, it wasn't wasted. I can't bear to taste it. The memories roll around. I'm fine, but I'll be always chasing. I don't know how to face it. My dreams fall.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If so, please don't forget to support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And also, it's a like if you really enjoy watching this video, and leave a comment. That's so important for me. Until next adventure, next video. See you. Take care.
This is the end. 'Cause I feel